Because you're in Swiggy, what's your favorite food?
Paneer butter masala, paneer and pizzas.
Any record of fastest time like a delivery boy delivered?
Somewhere around 13 or 14 minutes.
And the longest time?
Yeah, could be well over an hour.
What do you look in a designer? Attitude or aptitude?
Attitude is more important. Attitude drives a lot of that listening behavior.
What impresses you more? Portfolio full of like eye candy stuff or like a well-written Medium article?
I think it's a mix of both. Always well-articulated thoughts, are valued. You can have a visual storytelling in dribble, but pictures speak 1,000 words.
Your favorite design quote?
Design is never done.
Favorite designer?
People. I love my design team. Of course, Srinath is one of those folks whom I love. And outside, I think I love Mike Matas.
Your favorite interview question?
What is design?
Have you ever ordered from Zomato?
Yeah, a lot. As a consumer, I think you should be open to options.
Your favorite app?
Facebook Paper, Airbnb.
Your first reaction when like a PM comes with a solution rather than a problem statement?
I'll just ask them to come to the whiteboard. Quite a few Googlies there.
You dodged all of them really well, Srinath. Do not worry.
Okay.